right? To prepare and then to learn together, and then so I can give you feedback if you speak in English or something. Okay, thank you very much. But before that, where is Aziz? Andri, do you know?
Trying to contact this Agayan Aziz, Michelle.
Okay, okay. Well, tonight's lesson, it will be very useful for us to learn the of English. Okay, so the class tonight is about daily expressions. Daily expressions mean, all right, the expressions in English that native use it to speak in their socializations to connect and interact with people. Yeah. So sometimes we are not as foreign language user, okay, use English based on dictionary meaning. So we use it improperly. Okay. So how to use it well, how to use English, all right, based on or depends on the situations using the right expression. All right. So tonight you will learn how to say that, how to express the English expressions for your daily. And okay, I will give you the material tonight after the end of the class. Okay, so I hope my voice will be very clear to hear, and then the material tonight will be very clear and it will be understandable for you to improve your ability. Okay, so the point that we are going to learn tonight is idiom or phrase. Okay, have you ever heard about idiom before? Devi, have you ever heard about idiom?
Yes, I have.
All
Sorry.
right, that's good. Idiom is the expression that we can use, okay, based on context, right? It's not based on the literally word or the literal actions meaning, but it's based on situations. Okay, now we are going to practice. Please open mic if you want to talk and if I ask you to talk. Okay, we will begin the class ya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so I'd like to ask you how to say in English, maaf, saya tidak sengaja. How do you say in English? Maaf, saya tidak sengaja. All right, if you know the answer and if you want to try to answer, just open mic and speak. Maaf, saya tidak sengaja. Okay, how we say in English? Hello guys, are you with me?
I didn't mean to.
Okay, I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, just now I. Okay, back to our topic. Okay, how do you say in English? Maaf, saya tidak sengaja.
I didn't mean to.
How do you say in English? Maaf, saya tidak sengaja.
I didn't mean to, mister.
Okay. Anyone to share? I still can't hear your voice. Maaf, saya tidak sengaja. How do you say in English? Do you have any idea how to say that? Okay, I think you seem confused. You seem, what is it? Have no idea how to say that. Okay, you can say that. Sorry, I didn't mean to. Okay, maaf, saya tidak sengaja. You can say, sorry, I didn't mean to. Oh my God. Oh, I'm sorry if there's someone speaking. I cannot hear your voice ya. I'm so sorry. Okay, back to the topic. Maaf, saya tidak sengaja. I didn't mean to. Sorry, I didn't mean to. You can use these expressions, okay? And then, how do you say in English? Kamu ada-ada saja. Kamu ada-ada saja. Yeah, for example, you talk with your friends, you talk to your friends, and then you guys make a joke, and then kamu ada-ada aja sih, nah, kamu ada-ada saja gitu. How do you say in English? You are what or no? Nah, kayak gimana? Nah? How do you say in English? Kamu ada-ada saja. Okay, if you have no idea about that, you can say you are really something. Okay, you are really something. Oh my God, I cannot see you. I cannot see you there, for example. Yeah, I cannot see you there. Why you hide it? You are really something. Nah, misalkan kayak gitu ya konteksnya. Okay, how about we say in English, santai aja, kalem, kalem. Santai aja.
Easy, mister.
Ada Nida?
Take it easy.
All right, that's correct. That's very correct. Good. Take it easy. Yeah, take it easy. Okay. For example, oh my God, I forgot to do my assignment. How to fix, how to solve it? Oh my God, oh my God. For example, someone's panic and then take it easy. Just take a deep breath and then relax and then do your assignment and tell the truth. Something like that, yeah. That's on the context. Okay, how about jangan halangi pandanganku? Jangan halangi pandanganku. Awas dong, gak kelihatan. Hey, I cannot see. Can you please move a bit? Because you jangan halangi pandanganku. How? How do you say in English? Jangan halangi pandanganku. In English, we can say, don't block my sight. Yeah, my sight. Don't block my sight. Yeah, I cannot see the lecturer. I cannot see the lecturer speaking. Please don't block my sight. Ya, boleh. It will be very easy for you if I ask, how do we say in English jangan menyerah?
Don't give up.
Okay, that's true. Don't give up. Don't give up. Please don't give up. Okay. And it will be easy as well. Saya nggak peduli. Saya nggak peduli dia mau bagaimana atau gimana.
I don't care or like I care.
Okay, that's right. I don't care or like I care. All right. Good. Kalau misalkan, tolong dong, geser dikit dong. Ini sempit banget sih, geser dikit dong. Nah,
Move a
gimana
bit.
bahasa Inggrisnya? How do we say in English?
Move a bit.
Please.
Move a bit, please.
How do we say in English?
Move a
Tolong
bit,
geser
please.
sedikit. Nah. Anybody knows?
Move a bit, please.
Ada yang tahu?
Please move a bit.
Okay. Nida say. Okay. Nida say move a bit please. Yeah. Okay. That is
Move a
correct.
bit, please.
Yeah. Okay. That's correct. Or please move a bit or move a bit please. Yeah. Okay. Please move a bit or move a bit please. You can say that. Okay. Thank you Nida. Nah, how about we say in English? Bagaimana mungkin? Bagaimana mungkin? Okay, how do we say in English? Bagaimana mungkin?
Is it how could it be? Sure.
All right, good. How could it be? How could it be? Okay, thank you Prita. Okay, how could it be? How about doakan aku berhasil ya? Semoga aku sukses ya. Doakan aku berhasil. How do we say in English? Any idea?
Wish me luck. Wish me luck.
Okay, that's good. That's correct. Wish me luck. Nah, wish me luck. Okay, for example, I have to join and I will join the big match or the big competition, guys. Please wish me luck. Yeah, something like that. You can use that. All right. How about we say, saya berdoa untukmu. Saya berdoa untukmu.
I pray for you.
Okay, good. I pray for you. Okay, we say pray. I pray for you, not pray, right? I say, it should be pronounced pray. I pray for you. Okay, thank you. How about jaga dirimu baik-baik?
Take care of yourself.
Okay, that's great. That's true. Yeah, take care of yourself. All right. This is our time to meet for the last time. I hope we can meet again in the next time, in the later time. And please take care of yourself. You can use that in that context. How about tidak begitu buruk? Dalam arti lumayan, tidak begitu
Not so
buruk.
bad.
Not too bad. Not so bad. Not too bad.
Okay, you can say that. Not too bad, not so bad, not so bad, or not too bad. Okay, and then it will be easy. Ini giliranmu loh sekarang. Gimana?
It's your turn.
Okay, turn. Yeah, okay. The pronunciation is turn. T-U-R-N, turn. Okay, so it's your turn. Okay. How about, apakah ada orang di rumah?
Is there anybody home?
Correct. You can use that expressions or anybody home, anyone home. Is there anybody home? Okay. How about always open? I mean like selalu sedia, selalu available. Setiap hari, setiap waktu. How we say in English? Misalkan you can access our website setiap waktu, setiap saat. How do we say in English?
Anytime, anywhere.
Okay, anytime, anywhere, dimanapun, kapanpun. Okay, that could be, it could be that, but there will be the proper expressions that we can use to say that. Any idea? Except anytime, anywhere. It's not really good in context. For example, you can access our website anytime, anywhere. Okay, contextual. Okay, when we speak that, we can that, but okay, there's a proper expressions that we can use. It will be 24/7. Yeah, 24/7. It means 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. So it's all the time. Yeah, it's all the time. Are you available 24 hours? I'm sorry, are you available 24/7? Okay. No, I will be off. For example, I will be off on Saturday night, for example, yeah. Or yeah, I'm available, or our office is available 24/7. So it means all the time. Okay. And then how about, oh udah lama sekali ya. Udah lama sekali kita nggak ketemu, misalkan. How we say in English?
Long time no see.
Okay, you can say that. Long time no see. Yeah, that is a common expressions that we can use. You can use long time no see, or the proper one you can say in ages. In ages. Yeah. The example is, oh my God, it's been in ages. Where have you been? For example, like that. Or it's been a long time, or it's such a long time, you can use that. Yeah, in ages is the simple one. Yeah, I didn't see you for a few past years. Where have you been? Okay, where have you been in ages? Kemana kamu selama ini? Nah, ini udah lama sekali. Okay, you can say that. Kalau tunggu sebentar dong. Oh, how we say in English? How do we say in English? Tunggu sebentar dong. Okay.
Just a minute.
Okay, just a minute. All right, just a minute, or you can say a second or 1 second. You can say that. Okay, how about we say sekali dalam seminggu? Sekali dalam seminggu.
Sir,
How about we say sekali dalam seminggu?
once a week.
Okay, once a week ya, once a week. Once, nulisnya once. Okay, once a week, it means satu kali dalam seminggu. Once a day, okay. How many times, for example, yeah, the questions. How many times do you take a bath a day? Okay, twice. Okay, sorry, once a day, for example. Kalau 2 hari sekali, twice. Okay. Kalau for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so far and so on, you can say times. For example, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. Yeah. Okay. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, something like that. Okay. Nah, how about, ayo kita mulai. Ayo kita mulai kegiatan ini. Ayo kita mulai. How do we say in English?
Let's begin. Or what? Maybe.
Pardon?
Let's start this activity.
Okay, let's start this activity. All right, that is literally meaning from the lexicon or from the dictionary. We can use that. We can speak like that. Let's start the activity or let's start the class. But there's a cool expressions that you can use, okay, instead of let's start the activity. We can say, let's get the ball rolling. Yeah. All right, guys. Tonight's class will be start soon. So let's get the ball rolling. Let's get the ball rolling. It means let's start the activity or the agenda or the meeting or the class or everything. Let's get the ball rolling. Okay, the next expressions. How do we say muak? Aku muak sama kamu. Udahlah, jangan ketemu lagi, aku muak. Nah, how do we say in English? Any idea?
Kalau hungry marah kan?
Angry, yes, angry marah. Angry is marah.
Feed up.
Okay. All right, nice try, Ajis. Thank you. You can say sick and tired. Ya, I'm sick and tired of you. Gue muak sama lo gitu ya. Sick and tired. Sick karena saking sudah muaknya, sick sakit, tired capek, jadi muak gitu ya. Muak sama kamu gitu. I'm sick and tired of you. I'm sick and tired of this relationship misalkan. I'm sick of tired of your act of your conditions or something. Yeah, you can say that. How about babak belur in English? Babak belur. Babak belur.
Mister?
Pardon, Jis?
Bad red.
Okay. Okay, there's nice try. All right, you can say in English babak belur with a cool expression black and blue. Ya, I'm black and blue. Black and blue. Babak belur itu sampai hitam dan warnanya kebiru-biruan gitu kan? Black and blue. Ya, you can say that. I'm black and blue. Okay. Next. Okay. How about we say in English, mari saling memaafkan. Kalau suasana lebaran, for example, in Idul Al-Fitr, we say saling memaafkan. How do we say in English?
Let's forgive each other.
Okay, let's forgive each other. All right, we can use that. That's on the dictionary meaning or lexicon meaning. The proper expressions we can say, let's forgive and forget. Let's forgive and forget. Okay. We can say that. Let's forgive and forget. Okay. Next. Okay. Hati-hati di jalan ya. Atau, Pak, aku mau pulang nih. I'm off to go. Misalkan, hati-hati di jalan ya. Nah, how we say in English?
Take care.
Take care atau take care?
Okay, take care. Good ya. Take care. Take care. Boleh. Take care on your way. Sometimes we are confused how to use the proper expressions between take care or be careful. Yes. What's the difference? Take care and be careful. Take care means, you can use take care if you, take leaves with each other, you can say take care of yourself, take care on your way, or take care. How about be careful? Be careful is, okay, we can use be careful when we know something, okay, something has its functions when we do not use it carefully. For example, be careful with the knife. Yeah, okay, the children do not play the knife, so be careful with it. Or be careful with the floor. It will be, okay, it's still wet. You might be slippery with this situation, something like that. Be careful and take care. Ya, be careful itu lebih ke sesuatu, benda atau apapun itu yang kita harus berhati-hati menggunakannya. Be careful with the bla bla bla. Or kalau take care of yourself. Ya, take care, something like that. Okay, good. How about we say in English, jangan lama-lama dong. Jangan lama-lama.
Don't take too long.
Yes, don't take too long. Good, Devi. Thank you. Don't take too long. Yeah, please don't take too long. The time is, or the time will be over. Yeah, don't take too long. Okay. It seems that you guys have lots of expressions in English. Okay, so how about we say in English, cuma bercanda kok. How do we say in English? Cuma bercanda.
Just kidding, or just kidding.
Okay, just
Or
kidding. Nah, that's great. That is common expressions. Itu ungkapan yang umum ya. Just kidding. Okay. Or jangan diambil hati. Jangan diambil hati apa? How do we say in English jangan diambil hati?
don't take it hurt.
Okay, don't take it hard. Okay. Nah, this is must be correction for you. If you want to say hati, ya hati in English itu heart. Heart. Ya, kalau menyakiti hurt. Hurt. My heart. Ya, you hurt my heart. Okay. Okay. Jangan ambil hati. You can say in English, don't take it personal. Don't take it personal. Okay. Don't take it personal. Okay, and then the next one is, okay, I am so happy. Now, how do we say in English? Senang sekali. Senang sekali dalam bahasa Inggris. Aku senang sekali ketemu idolaku. Devi. Oke, misalkan ketemu sama K-pop idolnya. Aku senang sekali ketemu idola aku. How do we say in English?
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited. Okay, we can say that. Yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, there's another expressions that's common that we can use in English as an idiom, as an expressions for our daily. We can say over the moon. I'm over the moon. Ya, saking bahagianya itu kayak ada di atas bulan gitu ya. I'm over the moon. Now, this is a unique way how we learn English. There's a lot of expressions, there's a lot of idiom that we can use, and then we cannot imagine the meaning. Bahagia, over the moon, over di atas bulan. It means that it shows our feeling, it shows our conditions that we are very happy. Yeah, okay. Now, how about we say, aduh, saya nggak enak nih, saya kurang fit, saya sakit, saya nggak mood. Intinya menunjukkan kondisi kita lemah, kondisi kita sakit, lesu. How do we say in English?
I don't feel good.
Okay, I don't feel good or I feel bad. Yeah, we can say that. That's common. Itu
I'm
yang
getting sick.
I'm getting sick. Okay, boleh, bisa. That we can use. But there's is expressions. There's an idiom that we can use. Yeah, you can say, I am under the weather. I am under the weather. It means that you are sick. Is it cool, right, to say that? To say the expressions that the meaning is quite far from what we think, but that is the expressions, that is the idiom that we can use. Okay, for example, Mr. I'm sorry, I cannot join today class because I feel under the weather. It will be very cool, right? Okay, under the weather. Okay, next. How about we say, apakah pesanannya udah semua? Nah, for example, excuse me, okay, I want to order pizza, burger, chicken, drink, and sausage. Nah, terus kita mau nanya, apakah sudah semua? Nah, bagaimana? How do we say in English? Atau mungkin misalkan dalam percakapan. How do we say in English?
Sir,
Yeah.
whatever the order is all. Whatever the order is all.
Okay. Thank you, Aziz. Nice try. All right. There's a simple expression, there's simple idiom that we can use. Apakah udah semua? We can say, will be that all? Sorry. Will that be all? We can say that. Will that be all? Okay. Will that be all? Okay. Good. It will be easy. Bimbing aku dong. Nah, bimbing kita. How do we say in English?
Guide me.
Okay. We pronounce guide. Guide me. Guide me all the way. Guide me all the way. We can say that. Guide me. Okay. This one, it's quite common dan kita suka salah. Semangat ya. How do we say in English? Semangat ya.
Keep your spirit.
Keep your spirit. We can say that. Itu ke jaga semangatmu ya. Oke, keep your spirit boleh. Good. Oke, tapi gimana kalau semangat? Semangat.
Keep spirit.
Keep spirit.
Bravo, sir. Bravo.
Keep spirit.
Oke. Tetap semangat. We can say keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Semangat. Gitu ya. Oke. How do we say in English? Bagaimana kalau kerjakan saja sendiri? Kesorangan ya kerjakan. How do we say in English?
Do it by yourself.
Okay, that's great. That's correct. Good. Do it by yourself. Do it by yourself. Kumasi tugas nu kamari minta dong. Oh no, do it yourself. Okay. Next. How about we say tidak masalah, tidak apa-apa.
It doesn't matter.
Problem.
How do we say in English? Tak apa, tak masalah.
No problem.
It doesn't matter, sir.
How do we say in English? Tak apa, tak masalah.
It's
No
okay.
problem, okay. No problem. Nah, itu no tidak problem masalah, tidak masalah. Ah, itu yang dimaksud lexicon meaning or literally meaning. Okay. Okay, you can say it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Ya. Misalkan, aduh aku salah nih. Misalkan udah ngotorin baju kamu, oh it doesn't matter. Atau kalau mau ditekankan lagi, oh tidak apa-apa sama sekali misalkan. It doesn't any matter. It doesn't any matter. Nah, you can say that ya. Okay, it doesn't any matter. Okay. How about we say in English? Okay. Jangan ganggu aku dong. Nah, jangan ganggu aku dong. How we say in English? Jangan ganggu aku dong.
Don't disturb me.
Okay, don't disturb me. Yeah, we can say that. Don't disturb me. Jangan ganggu aku. That is very common ya. Itu yang paling umum. Don't disturb me or don't bother me. Don't bother me. But there's another expression that we can use. We can say leave me alone. Leave me alone. Nah, artinya tidak mau diganggu terlebih dahulu ya. Leave me alone. Okay. But, okay. Remember, we can use these expressions. We can use these idioms that I told you based on context ya. We have to remember the situations and context. Tidak semuanya berlaku pada konteks tertentu. For example ya, it is speaking. It is for our daily conversation ya. Daily speaking. Okay. How about, aduh aku masuk angin nih. Masuk angin. Enter wind? No.
Cold.
Okay, good. Catch a cold. Catch a cold. Catch a cold. Catch a cold. Okay. Good, Devi. Thank you. How about we say in English, aduh gigiku sakit. Aduh kakiku sakit misalkan. How do we say in English? Aduh gigiku sakit. Or aduh kakiku sakit. Yeah, any idea? Devi,
My
Rita,
teeth hurt.
Aziz,
My
Fadel?
My,
My
my teeth hurt.
My teeth hurt. Okay. All right. That is literally meaning as well. There's a proper expressions we can say or we can use my tooth or kalau giginya sakit banyak, my feet is killing me. You can say that. Ya, kalau misalkan aduh sakit misalkan kakiku, my feet is killing me. Ya. Oh my God, my teeth is killing me. Aduh, gigi saya sakit. You can say that. My teeth is killing me. My feet is killing me. Okay. Next. We are still have a lot expressions, okay, that we can use, that we can learn. Okay. How about I will share you the basic phrases in English. Now ya. Okay. Gimana kalau kita bilang terima kasih banyak?
Thanks a lot.
Okay. There's a lot of way to say terima kasih ya. The first one, the very simple and casual, we can say thanks. Yeah, thanks. Okay. And the second one, we can say thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. And we can say thanks so much. Thanks so much. And then we can say, be careful with the use of thank you and thanks. Berbeda ya. Jangan sampai bilang thanks you. Ya. We should pronounce it in proper way, in a good way. Thanks, kalau mau thanks aja, kalau mau you, thank you without S ya. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Ya. Or thank you a lot. Boleh. Or mau agak sedikit lebih keren, for example, you can say thanks a bunch. Thanks a bunch. Ya, boleh. Thanks a bunch. Okay. Next. How about we say, aku sangat menghargai pertolonganmu. Nah, aku sangat menghargai pertolonganmu. How do we say in English? Aku sangat menghargai pendapatmu, aku sangat menghargai perlakuanmu, and etc. How do we say in English? Any idea? We can say, I really appreciate. Ya, I really appreciate. Nah, the pattern or the structure, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate your help. I really appreciate your suggestion. Okay. If someone gives you suggestions, comment, or something that will improve your ability, your skill, or your condition, your mood, and everything, and then you want to thank them, you say, I really appreciate. Okay. Next. Okay. How do we say in English permisi? Nah, permisi.
Excuse me.
Yes, that's correct. Excuse me. Excuse me. Don't forget to pronounce X. Ya. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay. When you need to get through, but there's someone blocking your way. Nah.
Hello, Mister.
Hello. Yeah. Great, Aziz. You say, excuse me. Good. Yeah. Excuse me. Okay. Next one. Nah. Pokoknya, okay, the main point is when you want to use excuse me, it means that you want to interrupt, okay? You want to ask permissions. Okay, next. The phrase, I am sorry. Nah. Bagaimana kita bilang, how about we say in English, aku mendengarkan kok, atau misalnya, aku siap mendengarkan. Aku mau dengerin kok. Nah, how do we say in English? For example, Devi, Nida misal, Nida talk to Prita and Devi. Prita and Devi, I have bad experience. I want to tell you about my bad experience. Do you want to hear me? Do you want to listen to me? Nah, terus Devi and Prita bilang, okay, kita mau. Nah, how do we say in English?
I ready to listen.
Any ideas?
I ready.
You can say, I am all ears. All ears. Yeah. All ears. You can say that. I'm sorry, the connection is really bad here, even though I already outside the room. Yeah, but the connection is not really stable, but it's okay. Okay, keep it up, guys. Okay, back to our topic. All ears. Yeah, we can say all ears. Okay. Mm-mm. How about we say in English? Nah. How about we say if someone tell us the idea, the suggestions or something, and then we want to respond, we want to reply. Oke, how? Misalkan, oh itu idenya bagus sekali. Nah, biasanya kita bilang gimana?
What is a good idea?
Oke, what a good idea. Nah, good topic, interesting topic to learn, guys. Nah, bagaimana how we say in English to say betapa, betapa indahnya, betapa bagusnya, ya. We use the idiom or the expression. Nah, kita menggunakan kata tanya what and how, ya. Kalau mau mengungkapkan betapa, contoh, for example, how beautiful it is, how beautiful the place is. Jadi jangan disangka itu kalimat tanya ya, tapi mengungkapkan betapa. How beautiful you are. Ya. How great this place. How amazing. Nah, gitu. Ada satu lagi penggunaan dengan menggunakan kalimat tanya what. Tapi, nah, if you want to use what, we have to use noun phrase. Kalau setelah what, kesananya harus kata benda. Tapi kalau tadi setelah how, itu langsung adjective, langsung kata sifatnya. How beautiful, how beauty you are, how excellent, or how great, itu langsung. Tapi kalau menggunakan what, nah itu harus noun, for example. What a beautiful girl. Oh, gadis yang sangat cantik. What a beautiful place. Ya, what a brilliant idea. What an excellent idea. Nah, kalau setelah what harus menggunakan noun phrase. Ya. Nah, ini untuk masuk ke compliment, pujian ya. So, if you want to comply someone or something because she or he did great, you can say how or what, using how and what. What a great job. What a good job. Okay. Any questions so far? So far so good?
That's
Yes,
clear.
Mister.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Nah, how do we say in English jam berapa sekarang?
What time is it?
Okay. What time is it? Yes, that's great. In Australia, we can say what is the time? Yeah, instead of what time is it? Okay, that's correct. All right. Next. Nah, how about we say in English? Baik, akan coba aku pikirkan. Nah, kamu tuh harusnya gini loh. Misalkan, oke, aku akan pikirkan itu. Nah, how do we say in English? How do we say in English?
I will think.
Will remember.
Okay. You can say sleep on it. I will sleep on it. Yeah, sleep on it, for example. Thank you for your suggestions. I'll sleep on it. Okay, it means you will think about it later and then you will give them feedback, or you will give them the comment or the suggestions that you have to respond for that suggestion. Sleep on it. Okay, next. How about we say in English, saya bokeh. I have no money. How do we say in English?
I'm poor.
I am poor. Okay. Miskin sekali ya. Okay.
I'm okay.
Okay. I am broke. Ya. I am broke. Broke. You can say that. I am bokeh. I am broke. Nah. Okay. Next. Are you guys with me? Hello?
Oh, Mister.
Okay.
Wow.
How about, aduh aku lapar banget. Aduh aku salah tri.
I'm so hungry.
Okay, I'm so hungry. Okay. Itu betul. Secara grammar, that's correct. But there is a proper expression. You can say, I am starving. Starving. I'm starving. Yeah, I'm starving. I'm starving. Okay. We have time before we continue the topic tonight. Okay, this time it's time for you guys to practice to talk. Okay, as usual, I will give you time to talk everything, to talk anything that you want to talk. Okay, don't think about grammar, don't think about nervous or something. You have to talk and talk. Okay, do you hear my voice?
Yes, Mister.
Okay.
Yes, Mister.
All right. I'm sorry if I ask you a lot of questions. You hear my voice or something like that, because I want to assure the connections. I want to make sure the connections is good. Okay. So who will be the first to talk? Who will be the first to talk? Who's gonna be the first? Hello guys.
Hello, Mister.
Oh,
Okay. Who's gonna be the first to talk? Di Mister semuanya ngeblank nih, hitam. Nggak ada. I think, yeah, the connection. Bisa nggak sih next week kita offline pertemuannya?
Yes.
Mudah-mudahan bisa ya minggu depan kita offline, because learning virtual is quite challenging for us in these situations, but offline learning, it will be very challenging as well. We have to prepare everything well. So yeah, there's two sides, positive and negatives, but we have to be considered and we have to be wise. Okay. Now, Prita, would you like to tell me your activity today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please go on.
Okay, guys. Good evening.
Okay, good
Can you
evening.
hear my voice, guys?
Yes, I can.
Okay, thank you for the time. Here, I want to tell you about my activity today. For information, I'm not my I'm not in home. Yes, I'm in boarding house in Ciamis. I spend night here with my two friends because I have many activity and I have another that is from my lecture. So I stay here and we are going to do our dailies together. And then what else? It is Saturday night, right? How about your Saturday night, guys? Yeah, we are enjoy our class. We are enjoying our class now, and we spend our Saturday night with our class because we are also not going to anywhere, right? What else? I think that's all for me, sir.
Okay. Wait, there's a car.
Me, Mister.
Okay, thank you, Prita. You told us about your activity, and tonight, yeah, it's actually Saturday night, but we spend time together to study, to learn, to improve our ability. Yeah. All right. Thank you guys for your spirit. Thank you for your attendance tonight. And thank you for your time. Okay. Thanks a lot, Prita. Now I'd like to invite Aziz. Aziz, could you tell us about your activity today?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
I activity today is at my home,
Okay. At your home.
and then mengerjakan mengerjakan
I do.
Mister.
Okay, Aziz, go on. Okay, I think my connection is really bad, yeah. Your voice is not really clear, and then I didn't catch what you say. So yeah, thank you. Thank you for your nice try. Okay, next I'd like to ask Nida. Nida, would you like to share us your activity today?
Yes, Mister.
Okay.
Sorry, but now I'm still in a car.
Yeah, okay, I can see it. It's
Eh,
okay. It doesn't any matter.
okay. May I turn off my camera?
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay. I gonna tell you about Pancasila. It's not problem or
All
my
right. Yeah. Better we hear your activity today. We
oh
want to know. Yeah.
okay. Um okay guys. Today I have many activity. I'm go to Ciamis in my home. I think 6 o'clock. And then how do you say sampai?
Sampai rise.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah. And in my faculty 8 o'clock. And then in my faculty I have schedule because I must to be master of ceremony in the agenda in my faculty. And then after that I must prepare to go to Pangandaran because I have schedule in Pangandaran and in organization. And then for prepare for tomorrow because in organization have schedule with Mr. JJ. Do you know with Mr. JJ?
No, we
Yes.
don't know. I
Okay.
don't know.
I know.
Yeah, Mr. JJ is chairman in Pangandaran, right? Like BUPTI. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Ah,
for cleaning up in beach.
oh, okay. So
Oh
what
yeah.
you gonna do in Pangandaran? What you're gonna do in Pangandaran?
What? Sorry, Mister.
What are you gonna do in Pangandaran? Hello?
Hello, Mister. Sorry.
Okay.
Tomorrow I must help my friend to cleaning up, and then I must how do you say apel pagi?
Joining
Yes,
ceremonial
yes, joining
and that.
ceremonial with Mr. JJ
Mm-hmm.
with Dean in my faculty.
Okay.
Yeah, just like that, Mister. And after and how do you say selesai and activity in
Mm-hmm.
Pangandaran?
Yeah.
Yes, they
Yes.
must go to my home again in Banjarsari because in my home,
Okay, I
in my village,
see.
I have schedule again. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay,
Mister.
okay. Thank you, Nida.
Mister,
Yeah. Yeah, yes, Aziz. How?
I I want to share my activity in today.
Good. Go.
Today my activity I have attention integration activity in organization
Oh, I see.
and
Okay.
studied learn English and did class assessment and and I am also attending a friend wedding in tomorrow di Ciamis.
Okay. And then?
Enough, cukup. Enough. Thank you, Mr.
Okay, thank you, Aziz. You share your activity that you did assignment and then you attend the inaugurations activity in your organizations. And then tomorrow you will have an activity in Ciamis, right? Good luck for your activity. All right, thank you for sharing. Devi, it's time for you to share your activity today. All right,
Okay.
before that, I'd like to ask you, which part of Cikoneng do you live in, by the way?
Panaragan.
Oh, I see, Panaragan.
Yes.
Dua saudara makaroni, right?
Yes, right.
Oh, yeah. Okay, it's near. I am in Margaluyu, right? You know
Oh,
that?
Margaluyu.
Cisarai, you know?
Yes. I I think Mr. Come from Tasik or yes.
Yeah. Yeah, actually, I'm from Tasik, but I live here with my sister. So it's in
Oh,
Cisarai. It's near,
yes.
yeah. Okay, Panaragan. All right, good. Now it's time for you to share your activity. Go on.
Okay, good evening everyone.
Okay, good
Uh,
evening.
I want to tell you about my activities today. Actually, today I wake up at 4 past 6, and then I usually help my mother, and then at 9 a.m. I go to campus for attend closing PRF ceremony, and at 12 a.m. I I I go back to home, and actually I also have to go to Pangandaran like Sisnida and Andri for attend beach cleanup program which be held um, which be held government science organization, but my health condition is not good, and my mother forbidden me to go to Pangandaran, and yes, I can go to Pangandaran right now. Can you see it?
Okay.
Yes, I okay. Actually, today I just have schedule for go to campus at 9 a.m. and then I go back to home. Yes.
Okay, thank you
Oh,
for
yes.
sharing. All
Um,
right. Actually,
I
we have the
I'm
same
pro
activity with Nida and Andri, but because of your health conditions, you cannot join them. So you stay at home. Okay, that's a better choice for you to stay at home, stay safe, and keep your health great.
Yes, because in pandemic how do you say um, pernah positif COVID, Mister?
Hello, Mr.
Hello, Mister.
Hello, Mr.
Sharing us your activity. Okay, it's great. Actually, you have the same activity with Andri and Nida, right? But you,
Uh,
because of your health condition, you have to stay at home. Okay,
yes,
thank you for
and
sharing.
how do you say yes, because my health condition is not good, because how do you say, pernah terpapar COVID?
Oh, you are infected by corona
Yes,
virus?
yes.
Oh, oh, I see. And how, and okay, did you do isolations, self-isolations at home?
Yes, yes. I do self-isolation at my home
Okay,
with my
wait, wait,
mother.
wait. My connection is not really good. Okay, Devi, would you like to tell us your condition, your feeling? Are you infected right now by the virus or a few weeks ago?
A few weeks ago, and Alhamdulillah for today and yesterday, my healthy is good. It's in good condition, sir.
Is it negative?
Yes, I
Okay.
um,
Why? How can you be infected by the virus? Would you
because
share us?
yes, because on January, actually in 16 until 18 January, I go to Kudus.
Okay, all right.
And
And then
while I go back to home, I I I try to check my condition, and I try to swab, yes.
swab, yeah, it's swab.
Oh,
Mhm,
swab.
mhm.
Yes. And at Kimia Parma, and then I got positive.
Oh, so the results of your condition check is positive. You are
Yes.
infected by the virus. Okay, all right. Is it something that I really want to ask you? What, how do you feel? Okay, how do you feel, or can you tell us more detail? Like you feel okay that you are suffering from fever, cough, or backache, or headache, or something?
Yes. I actually I feel like catch a cold first,
Mhm.
and
Yeah.
then how do you say batuk-batuk?
Cough, cough.
Yes, nah batuk-batuk, dan ya sampai sekarang batuk-batuk masih ada gitu, Mister.
Oh, I see. I
Yes,
see. So the common, what is it, infections that you feel is cough, yeah, fever. How about fever? Fever, demam.
yes. One just one day I feel
Okay.
fever,
Okay.
and
And then how do you handle it? Have you taken some medicines?
no, I just go to check my condition for swab, for swab, for just swab,
Okay, for sub only. And then yeah,
and then
do
I
you
I get,
mhm,
how do you say, obat?
medicine.
Oh, medicine. Yeah, yeah, I get medicine for apotek. How do you say apotek?
Mhm. Drugstore,
Oh, drugstore. I buy vitamins, some vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin D,
vitamins.
vitamins E, and then paracetamol,
Oh my God,
paracetamol,
my connection is bad.
paracetamol, amoxicillin for, yeah, for my healthy. And actually, my bagaimana, how do you say penciuman? Hello, Mister. Your connection is so poor.
Hello, Mister. Mr. Right?
Yes, I think. Hello, Mr.
Hey, okay, Devi. All right. It's interesting talk actually, but my connection is really bad. All right. So you bought vitamins from drugstore, right?
Right, and I
And
feel my, how do you say, penciuman?
your smell?
Yes, my smell and perasa. How do you say perasa?
You can say, yeah, your tongue taste.
Yes.
It's gone,
Uh,
right?
yes, actually, I don't feel that, Mr.
Oh, okay. So when you eat, you don't feel,
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
sweet or salty,
yes.
sweet. Yeah. Oh, okay.
I don't feel it.
And how about now?
But now, yes, I can feel it again.
Okay. All right. If it's not, if
Alhamdulillah.
I'm not mistaken, yeah, alhamdulillah, if I'm not mistaken, the infected person or the infected body by the virus, it will be okay. It will not be infected again, right? For from some research that I learned, yeah, if we are infected by the virus and our immune systems have already know about that, okay, it will defend and it will against our conditions. So it doesn't mean that we have to be infected to be strong, but if we are infected by the virus, okay, we are going to, okay, we will not be infected for the second time. So far I know. Okay. I hope you be better, and then I hope your health conditions will be good, and I wish you get speedy recovery. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Devi, for share us. Stay at home,
Yes.
stay safe. Okay.
Okay.
That's the best choice for us in this situation. Okay. Okay, the last one, Andri. Andri, it's your time to share your activity to us today.
Okay, sir. My activity today, in the morning, I took a souvenir from Sukamantri, then went to Ciamis to prepare for the event to Pangandaran, and
Okay.
I am still preparing for the event while attending class. Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
That's your activity. Okay. You have some activity with Nida as well. Yeah. You have to go to Pangandaran. Okay. Thank you, Andri, for sharing us. Okay, by the way, for the next time, I want you to talk more, yeah. I want to speak more than 1 minute, more than 30 seconds or something. Yeah, you have to talk more. Okay, to practice. Yeah. Okay. The intention is to practice. Okay, guys. All right. For your information, if you want to tell your activity in English, okay, in the past time, don't forget to use past tense. Ya, past tense. Ingat, menggunakan past tense. Past tense itu berarti verb kedua. Ya, past form. Kita harus menggunakan verb bentuk kedua. Go itu ganti pakai went. Ya, I went to campus. Okay. The point is, okay, telling story, okay, or sharing activity. If we do it routinely, okay, we practice it so that our English will be improved. Okay, but remember, as I told you, if you want to share the past event, okay, your activity in the past, you have to use past tense to tell us. Okay, do not use present or continuous. Present continuous, you have to say past tense or past continuous tense. That is the point. Yeah. Okay. So now I'd like to ask you, what do you like to do in your leisure time? Okay. What do you like to do in your leisure time? Anyone to answer? Anyone to share? What do you like to do in your leisure time? Hello, my connection is really bad. I'm so sorry for that. I have no idea how to handle it. I go outside the room, but I can't find it. I spend the time tonight with you all in the class, but the connection is not really good in our side. Okay, what do you like to do in your leisure time? All
Mister,
right.
in
Yeah,
time,
leisure time.
leisure time
Late.
is waktu yang singkat, right?
No. Free. Senggang,
Uh,
senggang.
oh,
Senggang.
yeah, I see. Sorry.
Okay. So what do you like to do in your leisure time?
I do help my mom. I want to have quality time with the family and with my best friend. I just want a holiday.
All right. So you want to take a vacations, right? Okay.
Yeah, Mister. I think vacation is obligation for me right now because
All
yeah,
right. I see. I
my
see.
activity is so full.
Okay.
Right.
It's not only for you, but for all of us, right? All right. Actually, you will have your vacation tomorrow in Pangandaran. Please enjoy the beach and everything there. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, Mister.
Okay. Next. Next, who want to share? What do you like to do in your leisure time?
Devi, sir. I will do my segment or reading books, read books
Okay.
or watch Korean drama because I have schedule for tomorrow. I should I must watch Korean drama because Vikenzo is um
What?
how do you say tayang?
Oh, I see. So you are now watching ongoing Korean drama, right?
Yes,
Okay. What
ongoing.
is the title?
Vincenzo. Vincenzo,
What
yes.
is that? What is that drama about?
About comedy, politic, and yes, comedy, politic right now.
Okay, I like comedy drama. Okay, do you know Welcome to Waikiki?
Hey, yes, I know.
Okay. That I watched that drama and it's very good. And one more is Strong Woman Do Bong Soon, right?
Oh,
It's
yes,
very
yes.
ridiculous.
I
Okay.
really like.
All right, thank you. Next, Aziz, what do you like to do in your leisure time?
Okay, Mister. I want to provide information.
Mhm.
I do when I have free time. Uh,
Okay.
when there is free time, I sometimes like to drink coffee, and
Pardon?
when there is free time, I sometimes like to drink coffee and
Okay.
and feel fresh air with the
Okay.
when there is a long time, I try to learn English.
Okay. So do you like drinking coffee?
Yes, I like.
Okay. So you go to cafe or where?
Uh, how do you say kadang-kadang?
Sometimes.
Oh, sometime ya. Ya, sometime.
Sometimes. Okay. Which cafe that do you think has best coffee?
Uh, cappuccino latte.
The connection again and
Mister,
again. Yeah. Which cafe that do you think has the best coffee?
how do you say tempatnya ya?
Yeah.
Uh,
Where? What
uh,
is the cafe's name?
Rumah Buni.
Rumah Buni. Okay. I don't know that. Where is it? Where
Yes,
is
Mister.
Rumah Buni?
Oh, Bojong,
Bojong Cijeongjing?
Bojong Huni.
Oh,
Uh,
Bojong Buni.
saya dekat.
Oke, nearby, dekat apa?
How do you say dekat? Dekat.
Near.
Near. Near. Uh, Kejaksaan.
Okay, my connection is not good.
Okay, Mister.
Ah,
Thank you, Mister.
okay. Iya. Iya.
Thank you,
Iya.
Mister. Halo, Mister.
Okay, guys, I'm back. Thank you, yeah. Thank you, Ajis, for sharing. You like drinking coffee and you told us about Rumah Buni. Okay, thank you. All right, guys, I think the time is over. I'm so sorry I will not ask Prita and Andre about your activity in later time. Okay, I will ask that questions in the next lesson, yeah, Prita and Andre. Okay, and you guys will continue your activity tonight, your lesson tonight with Miss Vivi or with cooperations divisions, right? Okay, please enjoy the class. If you have a lot of questions or if you have something to ask, okay, you just free to ask me on WhatsApp, okay? Thank you very much for your nice attentions tonight. I'm so sorry for all my mistakes and my bad connections, my internet connections. I hope you guys understand it and then keep it up. Don't forget to use what you have learned from the expression in English. Thank you very much. See you in the lesson, in the next lessons. We will meet on Monday. Okay, see you. Assalamualaikum.
See you.
Oh, Mister.
Thank you,
Waalaikumsalam.
Mister.
Apa tuh?